can special judges hear family law cases in the state of Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth, and that's the question that came to us is, can special judges hear family law cases? So what is a special judge? Well, there's 3 levels of judges at your district court, your county court, and the special judge is the lowest level, sometimes can be referred to as a magistrate, and they don't have the same authorities that the district elected judge does. They're judges that are appointed by the district judge, and counties can have a number of them depending on population and other factors. So some counties can have a lot, other counties not so much. But they can't hear every type of case that a district judge can. But what they can hear is listed in statute, and it's Title 20, Section 123. And it notes that they can hear civil cases for the recovery not exceeding $10,000, uncontested default matters for the recovery of money where it's sought is a greater sum of $1,000, actions for forcible entry and detainers, that's essentially an eviction proceeding, actions for replevin. So those first 4 that I mentioned, that's the typical stuff you'd see on a small claims docket. So essentially a special judge can hear small claims, but they can do more than that. They can also handle misdemeanors. When it comes to felonies though, they can only handle lower level stuff, such as like acting as a magistrate to do a preliminary hearing. They cannot do trial level, district court level judging on a felony case unless it's a felony DUI. But when it comes down to the question that we've got, which is whether special judges can handle family law, the answer is that they can. That's listed in subsection 9. It says, regardless, any matter, regardless of value at any stage, whether intermediate or final, and whether or not title to property, real, personal, tangible, intangible, or any combination thereof is determined in a probate, divorce, domestic relations, custody, support, guardianship, conservatorship, mental health, juvenile, adoption, or determination of death proceeding, except that non-lawyer special judges may not hear such things. So basically, the special judge can hear all of those types of matters. So all the different types of family law a special judge can hear, but it does have a caveat. It notes that if the special judge is a non-lawyer special judge, then they can't, which opens up an interesting fact that in Oklahoma, technically speaking, you don't have to be a lawyer to be a special judge. Practically speaking, every special judge I've ever seen has been a lawyer with a fair amount of experience before they are appointed on the bench. So this day and age, there's plenty of lawyers out there to choose from. So generally, if the districts are looking for a special judge, they're going to choose a lawyer so they don't have these issues where they can't handle certain types of cases. So when the question is, can a special judge handle a family law case? The answer is going to be yes. But if you're dealing with more questions related to a family law matter in the state of Oklahoma, you're probably going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially to receive legal advice. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.